to my channel. Whoever you are, welcome. Alright, I'm doing some maintenance cleaning on my PC. And yes, you're seeing the heatsink. Yes, you're seeing that. I hadn't really taken this apart, so I was like, it's enough time, to actually go in there and take this apart. So as you guys are seeing, this is all the dust that gets built up in your heatsink. So that's why it's a good idea to actually clean it. And you either can clean it, or of course you can replace it. You can replace your heatsink with, with another fan. Just a new one if you think that one you have had for a while and you don't want to remove it. Because I know some people are kind of scared to, if they've never messed with a PC before, or actually a deep clean, they are not really sure on how to, go about it. But if you do know about PCs and stuff, you can of course just, remove it. There's your CPU. You just remove it. And let me show you. Here's the back. That's the thermal paste right there. So I will be adding the thermal paste. So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning this. But yeah, this is what it looks like with all the dust build up. Yeah, this looks kind of weird, but that's how it look. I suggest you, just go in there and don't be scared and just clean it. Just get away of the fact that you might mess something up, because you're not really removing anything serious. It's just maybe the CPU, but you have to be careful, with adding the thermal paste and removing it. Alright guys, this is what it looks like after you clean it. So as you can see, I cleaned it very well, thoroughly. I grabbed a little brush that I had. Give me 1 second, let me grab that. I use this little brush right here. This is like a little brush you can use for like boots and stuff. But this is how I clean it. I just just brushed it really well to get all that gunk and stuff out of there. Yep, that was pretty much it. This is what it looks like afterwards. Yep. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.